Today I will show you how to apply effects to multiple clips on Final Cut Pro. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is load up the project that you want to add the effects for on Final Cut Pro. And now that we have the project, what we're going to do is you're going to find the clip that has the effects that you want to copy first. So we have 3 clips here. We have 1, 2, 3, and we're going to imagine that this clip has effects like color grading and some other effects that we want to add to these 2 clips. What we're going to do is we're going to click on this clip and we're going to go to edit, and from edit we're going to click on copy. Now that we've copied it, we're going to choose the clips that we want to paste the effects to. So we want to paste the effect to this clip and this clip, so we can select it like this. And once we select it, we're going to go back to edit again, and now we're going to come to paste attributes. Now when we click on paste attributes, you can see it says copied from, and then it shows where it's copied it from, and then it says it's going to paste it to this clips. Now you can choose exactly what you want to copy and paste to this script, and you can choose to either maintain keyframe timing, or you can click on stretch to fit. And once you're done, what you're going to do is you're going to click on paste, and the effects are going to be applied on the 2 clips. Now that's how to apply effects to multiple clips on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.